Hello everyone, it's Ronxs again with another unboxing sent to me from Youth Pride. I honestly have no idea what it is. Smaller box, a little light, so we're gonna find out together. Let's see. Okay, and it is a candle lighter. All right, by Ronxs. Okay, multi-purpose electric candle lighter. Okay, so I guess it don't need any gas. Oh, okay, this is neat. It's a candle lighter. Oh, look at that. That's interesting. Yeah, probably like a taser almost. Comes with a cord to charge it with. Got another one of these. Looks like a little cleaner brush. Okay. So I'm gonna charge it up. Oh crap! It turns on a little bit. I don't know how you work this thing. Hold on, let me see. Oh shit! It is like a little taser. Ah! Look at that. Oh, that's cool. Oh. Children do not play with this at home. I had to pull this. Is like two switches right here. I had to pull it up, and then it's a little on switch right there. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah. It comes with a little handle. You can probably hang it up on a little key holder thing. Take this with me to the club because I have to this is where you charge right here on the side. Okay, this is neat. Let me go find the candle right quick. Hold on. Okay, I found me a little tea candle. I always keep these handy just in case the power goes out. So we're gonna see how this works, how efficient it is. Uh-oh. Oh, okay, it works. Ta-da! The candle sucks, but it works. Y'all hear the sound? Electric current. All right, so thank you, Youth Pride, for this electric candle lighter. It seems like it'll be useful. Hopefully it'll be charged if I ever need electric candle lighter, and it won't be obsolete. But it seems cool. Okay, thank you. Little taser. I slick want to touch it, but I'm not gonna do it. Okay. Bye.